Hi guys. So far so good. I hope you're enjoying this course and I hope you're having a good time. So after we created our campaign and then we moved to our ad set, now we have to create the ad, which is the last part. So we're going to go and name our ad as cat food US top top US states. And then we're going to move to the identity. So in the identity, we have to choose our page, the page that it's going to host our campaign. So I only have this page in this ad manager account. So I'm choosing this one. And then we're going to move to the create ad, which is the design of our ad, how our ad it's going to looks like in the Facebook news feed. So choose the first one if you have two or more images or videos, or choose the second or the middle one if you have only one single video or one single image, or we can choose the last one if you have a group of items. So in my case, I'm choosing this one. And then we're going to move to the media. So in the media, click add media and click add videos if you have a video. But if you have only one image, click add image and then click upload, and it's going to direct you to your desktop and check all the images. But in my case, I don't have any images, so I'm choosing this one. We're just going to use this one as an example, and after you click in and the image, click continue. So of course it's not food, but it's ad set food for cats. It's in the same niche, so we're going to use it. And as you can see, this is how it's going to look like, with the picture of our page and the name of our page, and it's going to show this sponsored and the single picture with the primary text and the headline and the description. So let's move to the text and links and tell people what your ad is about. You can write a small sentence like uh, best quality food set for cats, and the headline you can write just buy two and get one for 55% off. And in the description it's optional, but you can write amazing small description, depends on the product that you are advertising. And when you're done, go and choose website, and in here choose website, and in this place right here enter the URL of the website that we're going to send people into from Facebook to this website. So I've been looking around for some amazing Shopify websites, and as I've been looking around, I wrote cat food pet bottle, and I found this amazing website right here. So for example, this is the website that we want to drive our customers into. So this is the URL that starts with HTTPC. Just select all the URL and right click and click copy, and then enter the URL down. and then we're going to choose our call to action, and the call to action is the button that it's going to be shown right here, that it's going to call people to do something and ask people to do something. So in this case I'm choosing shop now. Here he is. It is storage background. And the language, we don't want to translate anything, because in the first ad set we settle English all, so we're targeting customers and viewers and people who speak English. And in the end, when you're all set and you revise all of the campaign and the ad sets and the ad, just click confirm. When you're going to click confirm, it's not going to be alive right away. It needs to be reviewed by the Facebook team, and the Facebook safety team, it takes between 2 hours up to sometimes 24 hours to review your campaign, and everything is all right, then your campaign it's going to be active.